In this tutorial, we will see that how you can share notes to Instagram Reels and post in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, you have to open this Instagram and you will be on your profile. Then you have to open this Reels section. From this Reels, at the bottom side, you will see here this aeroplane. If you click on that, it will show you these sum of options: copy link, share, Facebook, and many more. And here it's also show you this add note button. If it's not showing you, then simply minimize it and open this Play Store. And from here, search for Instagram and simply update it from here. Like it's showing here update, you can simply update it and then it will show you this note button. If you click on that note, in order to add a note, you have to type here any of the comment like this and simply click on this share button and this note will be shared like this is showing here. So that's how you can share notes to Instagram Reels and post in just few easy steps.